Member states under the Asia-African Legal Consultant Organization, AALCO, have concluded their 63rd session in Kampala at the Commonwealth Speke Resort, Munyonyo. The session brought together 63 member states from Asia and Africa to discuss issues to do with promoting international legal cooperation and to provide a platform for member states to discuss and influence developments in international law like the law of the sea, climate change, cybersecurity, international trade law, peace and security, not excluding dispute resolution mechanisms. While closing the session, the elected President AALCO, who also doubles as the Attorney General of Uganda, Chiwanuka, highlighted some of the resolutions from the session.
Over the past 6 days, we have not just engaged in deliberations but witnessed the reaffirmation of solidarity, equality, and the rule of law which bind our continents together. We commend the robust discussions on topics such as the law of the sea, environmental sustainability, asset recovery.
Chiwanuka also expressed optimism about the benefits of member states adopted in the Kampala Declaration.
AALCO's contributions are reflected in landmark developments such as the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, the BBNJ Agreement, the UN Convention on Cybercrime, and the ongoing efforts to frame a model investment treaty.
Dr. Kamalin, the Secretary General AALCO, highlighted the move by AALCO in having regional arbitration centers within member states.
These 6 centers set up under the auspice of AALCO, but they are independent. They work by their own. And every year during the session, they come to propose, submit a report and present what they have been done during the years. And I think that all 6 regional centers, they work closely. Every year we have the annual forum for 6 regional arbitration centers. And they also work through their partner in their home country, regional setting, and they're active. They provide venue for dispute settlement, not only for the state, but for the private sector also.
With Uganda producing the presidency for AALCO, the Permanent Secretary, Minister of Justice and Constitutional Affairs, Robert Kasande, said focus is going to be on combating cybercrime and strengthening trade between member states.
We subscribe to the decisions that have been made by AALCO, and the decisions have been made towards collective addressing of cybercrime. And therefore I expect that Uganda will participate in the next session that will happen in Vietnam along those sides of cybercrime. Issues of sustainable development, what that means is how can we develop without destroying the environment? We are looking at climate change, which is upon us, but how can we ensure that much as climate change is on us, we can still develop sustainably? We discussed matters of international trade and investment, and we've agreed that between now that we have the presidency, which is held currently by Honorable Attorney General Chiwanuka, that we work together in this 1 year to ensure that many of those things that we've discussed, international law of the sea, we've made decisions, that they are implemented.
The next 64th Asian African Legal Consultant Organization will be held in the Philippines in 2026. Marion Awori and Viola Nansubuga, UBC.